Bless you. Good morning, everyone. More like the afternoon for me. So I'm with my boy Jay. We are starting this video off very late again. I was busy in the morning, just taking care of some stuff. Thanks, sir. Anyway, I'll start this video off a little bit different. Let's go Arizona. No. Oh, today's gonna be a fun day, I have a feeling. But we are already kinda at the destination of where we're going today. You guys will know it's the same exact spot as we went with, well, that I went to yesterday. Admittedly, because my boy hasn't really rode through here. He's I think he's been up here, he said, but he's never actually rode through here. So you know what, we both just want to get out on our bikes real quick. Rather than me trying to find a place and plan it out, I figured, you know what, let me just come up here again. So I do apologize for the scenery being kind of the same shit. Unfortunately, I do expect a lot of cars coming out today. It is Memorial Day weekend, so probably going to be a lot of people unsure of where they're going or what they're doing, which is fine. If you guys are lost and you're driving, just keep going and find a turnaround spot. Look at your old GPS. Slow vehicles, turn out. That should be both of you, but it's a bicycle in the way. No! Come on! Daddy just wants to ride. Pause. There's so much people out today. You know why? It's because California reopened. So I bet you parks are starting to open up. I'm already getting angry. Like, this is frustrated. I don't know what word I was saying just now, but it's frustrating. Oh, jeez. Is going on here, man? Come on, go ahead. Oh, let me get, oh shit, almost fell down a cliff. Let me get some view ropes for you guys. I'm really excited how nice it is right now. It is really f***ing nice, man. I think I'm gonna turn the camera off real quick and give one more panoramic for you guys. Look at this. Oh, it's pretty chilly up here though. It's windy. It's nice, gorgeous. If you guys aren't following my Instagram, you should really go do so. Right up over here. Oh! So come over here, bro. That's right. Watching you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. Excuse me, struggler. One of the other things I do want to say is last video I said I had no rear brake. This video, we got a rear brake, people. Scraped a little bit on the peg there, which is something you definitely don't want to do, is scrape the peg. Whoa! What's up, little guy? Coyote, I guess? Struggle. You know what? I'm feeling some yum-yums in my tummy. That's what I'm feeling. $10,000. Oh, shit. I'm too busy looking at that food spot. I'm almost falling over. Yo, this place is f***ing miss out. Well, I was thinking, I was like, man, I wonder if he wants to eat. Damn, those are some purple shoes. Cause I could eat, but I'm like, I'm gonna be hungry, like later. I don't gotta eat, I can wait. That's how I stay thin. Bum 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 bum. Nope, it's not a parking spot. At least not for you. I'll tell you one thing, there's a lot of women out today. I'm perfectly okay with that. So this is another spot up here. Yeah, it's down there. That man looked drunk as fuck. Oh, puppy. Hey, puppy. Well, I'm gonna have to shut you guys OFF. I gotta spell out all these words so my GoPro actually works. Later. Yeah, I get you home before the street lights come on. Hey, you face me. Boop. Anything to talk about. Oh, looky. Hello. God, these tires are so much more stickier. Like, the confidence level is through the roof, which it really shouldn't be. That's dangerous. Don't ever do that if you're driving, you see motorcyclists. Worst thing you do is be indecisive. I'm not used to blue water. Going up on Long Island, the water is not the cleanest. Out of the way, infidel. But look at that view. Oh man, it's crazy. We were just up there. Like, I keep saying, I know I'm a broken record, but I'm a sucker for mountainous terrain. Oh! Ah! Poor little deer. Woo! It's actually good I changed my brakes too, isn't it? Move, move. Come on. We don't care about them. Uh-oh. Hopefully everyone's okay. Hopefully that dude's okay. I went down. Never like seeing that. Never, never, never. We're gonna fill up one more time. I'm just gonna top mine off. But I'm gonna put like $5 in. $2. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look, you see people stretching the gas thing over. It's as much as it goes, bro. So I told him I'm gonna ride through San Francisco because the roads on that highway are a little bit smoother. Besides, gotta hit you guys with the city, right? It's like my signature move. Woo! Nobody. Golden Gate looking very red. Wait a second, is this his Mazda? Man, this is the same Mazda that we were behind on the canyons. And we almost hit a deer, coyote, and a police officer. Gotta make sure the pants fit good. Oh. Jesus. It was close. Boop. Can we make a ride on red? So I think this is where we're going to go ahead and end today's video. I hope you guys have stuck with me to the end. You guys are the real MVPs if you do. I need each and every single one of you guys to give this a big old fat thumbs up. If you guys aren't already doing so, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you guys are aware of when I upload a new video. If you guys are into cars, head over to my second channel. That channel is strictly car stuff, whether it be mine or other people's. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button on that one as well. As always, I really do appreciate it. And as always, I need all of you guys to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated, all of your life goals. Always remember, success will never come overnight. You guys gotta work your ass off for it. Pause. Your boy Machine here, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion.